And I also got this from Amazon from a premium. But yeah, we're just gonna get into it. Just change the fronts first, and then the half of the video I'll show you about the cabinet air filter as well. But yeah, pop this clip and you should be able to let it out like that. So you're just gonna pop this out. The air filter should slide right off. Damn, this thing's very big comparison. It's kind of dirty in there, as you can see. All this debris right there. You just want to vacuum it out, clean it up. What you do want to do is double check those little everything's sealed up. All right, guys, so this side, it was not as easy as that side. As you can see, you have a lot more stuff over here going on than over there. Over here, you're pretty limited on space, but all I really did is just kind of like spread the two parts apart enough to slide the freaking air filter and just slide it in place. Make sure all seals are all, you know, lining up and actually are sealed up. And then little test it, and then you should be good. But this side took longer than that side, that's for sure. Just giving you guys a heads up. Pretty much everything, guys. So if you ever want to, like, you know, change your cabinet air filter of your vehicle, it's that simple. If it starts smelling weird, that's probably why, and you should replace them. Well, that's everything for now. Like and subscribe.